This is just a better look at my unknown industrial ceiling fan. No information, just a better look at it because the last video was all blurry. It was posted at night. There's the time right now, so gotta do this at day so you guys can see it better. So that's it really. Let me just get up closer to it. There's the logo. I have no idea what company it is. I thought it was Hurricane, which is a ceiling fan company, but guess it's not them. Maybe it's a discontinued model. I don't know. Top. And yeah, the sticker is rubbed out. Upper canopy, lower canopy, blades, blade tips, and some rust. So thanks for watching.